Hi there, I'm here to discuss something related to OET Speaking. നമുക്കറിയാവുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് നമ്മുടെ OET Speaking conversationൽ നമ്മൾ proper IPR maintain ചെയ്ത് വേണം സംസാരിക്കാൻ. There are certain keywords in our cue card which gives an indication that we should maintain a proper IPR. Such words are sympathy and empathy. Have you ever thought what is the difference between these two words? Let's have a look into it. So the first word is sympathy. What does that mean? So it's simply a feeling of pity, sorrow or concern. The most important thing here is we actually don't relate to the emotion of that person. നമുക്കിനി കുറച്ച് phrases നോക്കിയാലോ. The first one would be, that must have been awful for you. I'm so sorry to hear that. The situation seems to be challenging for you, but try to be optimistic. The second word is empathy, which means the feelings of understanding and acceptance. The most important thing here is we actually relate to the emotions of that person. Let's look into certain empathy phrases. The first one would be, if I were you, I would have reacted the same way. Being in your shoes, I can completely relate to your emotions. I know being a parent, how frightening the situation might be. I really believe that you got the difference between what is sympathy and empathy. For more informative videos, follow Tiju's Academy.